G'day YouTube, it's Fred from Clooney Garage. Well, last episode we talked about the brakes, turning Clooney into a race car. Well, we've done it. So before I unveil the brakes, because they're pretty specky, let's go take a look at the old ones. So, starting off, we've got some old standard VF Commodore SSV Redline Rotors here, and they're still in pretty good nick. I've just given a bit of a clean up here, but very little wear. So pretty happy with those, and got the old pads here too, and you see where the old wear indicator is, you know, they're barely not even touching. It's easy to see on the fronts. And they're the fronts, as everyone knows, you do 90% of your braking on the front, and these guys too are really in good nick still. So I've kept these just for some spares, because we've got another little treat hitting the channel soon, and we might need these rotors for that. But if you have a look at what I'm talking about here, see that little wear indicator, these pads are a long way off it, so pretty easy on this car to start with. You know, it's only done highway kilometres and I've babied it really, but these were never going to make a track, so best to get them off now and get something fit for purpose on. So speaking of the track, let's go have a look at what is going on Clooney. Alright, new pads and rotors. So these are DBA 4000 rotors slotted, and we've got HSV ferodo brake pads in them. So I'll take this front wheel off so you can have a proper look at the rotors there. But they're going to clear an 18-inch race rim, which is what we want, and they're not too over the top. The big Harrop Ultimate brake kits are just way too big to then set an 18-inch rim on. So on the rear, again, rotors on the rear are always a lot smaller, but we've got the same DBA 4000 rotors on the rear, and again, ferodo race brake pads on the rear as well. Alright, let's rip the front wheel off so I can show you a look. Hey guys, well this is with the wheel off, you get a good view of the rotors. They're a decent size. They've got these race wear indicators on them as well, and that really exposes the Brembo 4-piston front brake caliper that comes standard on VF SSV Redline Commodores. So these DBA 4000 rotors, they're actually a one-piece design, and the next model up is the DBA 4000, which is the two-piece, and just been recommended to go with the one-piece, just a fear of these top hats warping, some experiences that we've heard about. But yeah, we'll go with them. And more importantly, nestled next to our LS7, we've got our racing .4 fluid. So she's all topped up. She's full as a goog, which is good. You need that. And then I think we're done. Of course, it still sits really high, this car, and that's part of our next series. We're going to get some brake ducts. Part of what we're going to do there is we're going to delete that front fog lamp, run some ducting through, and route it through the back here, and then obviously get that onto the back of the caliper. There's a bit of a backing material on that heat shield there, so we're just going to have to do something tricky there. Got some ideas, that's coming up in another episode. Alright, that's the job done for a Friday night. Tomorrow, I'm going to take this little girl out for a drive, and you can see the stopping power. Alright, YouTube, see you tomorrow.